Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So today, this is going to be a very exciting video. I got all these parts to build a new PC. So, let's go over the parts I got. So, that is the Intel Core i7 processor. I got the ROG Z390 motherboard. I got the Corsair CPU cooler. I got the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro. It's 32 gigabytes of RAM. I got a Elgato video capture device. I also have a EVGA power supply. It's a gold rated power supply. I got 2 terabyte of Seagate hard drive. I got a 250 gigabytes of Samsung NVMe M.2 SSD. So very excited. And also guys, I got the MSI GeForce RTX 2080. So this is going to be a very powerful PC. I've never owned a PC before. I've owned a lot of laptops before. I've never owned a desktop PC before. Let's get started. But first, let me show you guys the case. For the case, I got the NZXT H500 mid tower. So it's a very nice case. It's white and it has a very nice glass. So let's unbox this case first and then get to the motherboard. I also watched a ton of YouTube videos on how to build PCs, so I kind of have the gist of it. Alright, so let's take out the big case that I have. It's actually not that big. It's an ATX case. Okay. Ooh. Yo, this looks nice. Here, let me move the tripod up a little bit. Alright guys, let's take the case out. I'm so nervous because it is very heavy. Alright, let's take this white thing off. Alright, let's take the plastic off of this. Oh, it's already off. By the way guys, I have this magnetic screw tray, so I'm just going to pull the screws in here so I don't lose them. It's very handy if you're building a PC, just saying. Alright, here's the back panel. It's metal, I think. This little box says NZXT on it. Okay, so here's the cables that's in the case. Dude, I'm so nervous because I've never built a PC before. Oh, wait, let me see what's in this box. So there's a bag of cable management stuff and screws. And the instructions. Okay. Look at that later. Alright, so I'm going to install the processor on the motherboard. So I'm so freaking scared right now because I've never done this before. And all these tech is like hundreds of dollars, so I don't know. Alright, so let's take a look at the motherboard. I'm just gonna pray I don't damage anything. Oh my god, this is scary. Like, this is definitely a interesting experience, but wow. Join the Republic. Okay, there's this box. Yo, got the motherboard. My god, that is a lot of stuff. Alright, so here is the motherboard. So let's take a closer look at it. I'm gonna take it out of its packaging. There's a lot of reason I got this motherboard. One of the most important reasons is it has the I/O shield already installed. That's very nice. And also it has Wi-Fi, so you don't have to get one of those adapters. Okay guys, here is the motherboard. Alright guys, I'm ready to install the processor. It's like a $400 processor, guys. Here it is. The Intel i7. Take the processor out of its box. I didn't get a i9 because that was like $100 more and I couldn't afford that, but yeah. Here's the instructions. Ooh. This little cardboard box with the i7 inside. Oh, guys. I'm holding an i7. It's freaking epic. Oh, okay. Alright. Let's install this. Oh. I'm gonna lift this thing up. Oh, this is where you install the CPU. Jeez. Hey guys, I'm gonna take this out of the box. So there's a golden arrow on there. I'm gonna match that up with a different arrow. So I'm just gonna lightly drop this on here. Okay. Alright, so now I'm gonna probably like close this lid. Ooh, quite a bit of pressure. That's normal. Okay, there you go. Installed. This thing just pops right off. So, yeah. Now, since I've got that installed, I think we should go with the RAM. I'm not sure how, but that was surprisingly easy. Like, I was so scared, but that was super easy. Probably one of the easiest steps. Alright, so let's install the RAMs. And up that. Ooh. Yo, check this out. That is some clean looking RAM. Wow, that's nice. So I'm gonna install the RAM into the DIMM slots. I'm guessing you... Alright, I'm ready, guys. Oh, guys, I think I got it installed. First stick of RAM. Alright, let's get the next stick of RAM. Put that right here. Guess you gotta apply some pressure to it or something like that. Do you do the same, just push it down? Oh, second RAM installed. Dude, these things are cold. There we go. 3 sticks of RAM installed. Alright, got the last stick of RAM. Oh, there we go. 4 sticks of RAM installed. Gotta tear the stickers off though. Ooh, that was clean. Guys, I should probably install my SSD right now actually. Let's open this up. Let's take this out of the box. I'm gonna be putting all my applications on this thing. Alright guys, so it's just this tiny little stick. Okay, so here's the installation guide. Alright, so I'm guessing the SSD would go in there, so I'm gonna take out my screwdriver. Alright, it's gonna plug in like this. What the heck? Is it? Oh, I think it's supposed to go diagonally or something. Okay. What even is that? It's just some sticky stuff, but it's gonna be so sad if it doesn't work. Let's take a look at my CPU cooler and see if we need to install that right now or not. So I went with this cooler because it's a very nice cooler. I didn't want to go with the air cooler because I feel like the i7's like too good for it. So, oh yo. That is so easy. Just lift this up. Okay. Let's take a look at what we got inside. So inside we got fans. These are the 2 fans that it comes with. A ton of mounts and screws and cords. And the cooler itself. So here's the cooler. Yeah, so this is the thing that goes on your CPU, and this is the thing that's going to go on the sides. I found the instructions. Okay, so it tells you all the included stuff. Good thing I didn't put the motherboard in the case yet, because I need to install all this stuff. Okay, let's take out the back mount. So here's the back plate. So I'm gonna be putting that behind the motherboard. So let's do that right now. Alright guys, so I don't know, how am I supposed to install in the back? Do I just like flip this over or something? Because I feel like I'm gonna damage something. Alright, so here is the motherboard. Okay, so there's 4 holes near the CPU part. So you just put the screws in here. Like that. You know, just put it in there. And then you come to the front and you screw that in. Alright, so let's just put these screws in there. Screw the other one in. These are all like finger screws, so quite easy. Alright, so let's screw this in. Alright, so since I've got those screws installed, I think it's time to put the motherboard in the case. Alright guys, so I'm going to be attempting to screw this in. Alright. Jeez. Okay, don't break anything. Alright. By the way, I lined up the IO shield, so... Alright, let's screw it in. I don't know why I can't install that one in the corner, so I'm just gonna leave that, I guess. I'm gonna stand this case back up. It's a very nice case. Alright guys, let's install the power supply. Alright, let's get this out. Alright, so here's the instructions. Got a bag. Wow. Alright, this is a bag of screws. Alright, so here is the power supply. It is a fully modular power supply, so it has no wires attached. Ooh, look at this thing. Looks so nice. Let's connect all the wires. Alright, so here's the CPU cable. Alright, got that installed. Alright, now I'm gonna plug in VGA cable. I'm gonna plug in a SATA cable for one of my hard drives. And this cable basically connects this power supply to the motherboard. So I'm gonna connect this. Alright, here's the motherboard cable. There you go. So I'm gonna use the hexagon screws to secure that. As you guys can see, these are the cables from the power supply, and these cables are from the case, so it's not too confusing apparently, but yeah, I got this installed finally. Let's plug in the case cables first. They're in this plastic bag. Sweet. Alright, yeah, it's these guys. Alright, let's plug in this USB 3.0 cable real quick. I'm guessing it's gonna go down there somewhere. Alright, that should be all the way in. So I just plug that in there. I'm gonna plug in the HD audio to here. So the text has to face up. This is not a build guide, by the way, but it's just my experience. Alright, now the F panel thing would go here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is. Alright, now I'm gonna put the motherboard cable in there. Okay, now it's plugged all the way in. Okay, good. Okay guys, I just had to reorganize the cables a little bit. Alright guys, so I'm gonna install my hard drive. Let's get this open. I don't know why the packaging looks like this, but whatever. It's in this baggie. I'm pretty sure this connects via SATA. So yeah, here's the hard drive, 2 terabytes, pretty nice. This is where I'm gonna be putting all the footage that I'll be editing. The drive tray is right here. Okay, Okay, I gotta get these out of the way first. I'll be cable managing these soon. Not now though. So the drive tray is right here. I'm guessing I'm just like sliding that in there or something like that. Okay, so here's the SATA cable. I don't know where the power cable is. So now let's attach the CPU cooler. Here it is. So just take this off. Take that off. So this actually looks really nice. Alright, so how are we gonna do this? So apparently it has pre-applied thermo paste on it, so I don't want to touch that. Alright, I finally got the CPU cooler screwed in. Alright, let's install the fans. Guys, I just realized this case is broken. You see here? See how far away the ports are from the metal thing? Like, if you look from here, you can see it's like bulged up. So I'll have to return this and get a new case. So now I have to take everything apart. So let's get started. What's up guys, I just got this case in the mail. So I ordered another one since my other one broke, as you guys saw. It's Wednesday actually. It's been a while, and I'm back. So let's unbox this. So I see a lot of these dents and stuff, so I'm hoping this case isn't broken. Because if it is, I'm going to have to order another one. And if I do, I'm going to order the H500i. Just because that one is cheaper on Amazon somehow. Box flipped over. Okay. It's a little bit dirty on the inside. Alright guys, let's install the motherboard again. And yes, this is literally my second time installing. Guys, so I was getting ready to install the radiator fan, and I came over here and noticed this. Really, NZXT or Amazon, gonna give me a broken one again. So now I'll have to get another one. So I'll see you guys on Monday.